Jardient Banana Oil Review. Benefits, uses, and is it worth buying? So Jardient Banana Oil is promoted as a natural skin and hair care oil derived from bananas, designed to support hydration, nourishment, and protection. It's commonly marketed for moisturizing skin, reducing dryness, soothing irritation, and adding shine and strength to hair. Some also use it in aromatherapy because of its light, fruity scent. So the oil is positioned as a plant-based, chemical-free alternative. So let's talk about the pros and cons. For the pros, it offers natural plant-based formulation. It can moisturize the dry skin and soothe irritations. It adds softness and shine to the hair. It also has a multi-purpose use for skin, hair, and aromatherapy. And it is pleasant and light with a fruity scent. The cons is though, it has limited scientific research on the banana oil's unique benefits. It also has effectiveness which may vary depending on the skin and the hair type, and it has a possible allergic reaction or irritation in sensitive users. And the results are generally modest compared to specialized skincare products. So overall, it is a versatile natural oil that may help with hydrating the skin, softening the hair, and providing mild soothing benefits. However, because scientific backing is limited and results may vary, it may not replace specialized treatments for serious skin or hair concerns.